Okay, here we go. Well, that was total poop. Although it looks awesome on the table. I don't know if you can see. But let's look at this. Man, that would have been so pretty. I got a little unnerved a while ago. But I'm going to deal with it. Looks like I could probably go with half as much paint as I'm using and still be okay, doesn't it? All right, let's put a tile right there, peel off these little glue thingies, and maybe catch the runoff on that. Salvage some paint. Oh, I love this one. It looks awesome. Let me move this guy over here and this guy right here. And I'm going to scoop up this if I can without spilling anything else, which will be a miracle. Let's do this. And you know what? I put it on the wrong tile. But let's see what we can do. Maybe I can just let some paint out. Wow, look at that flowing. This is probably off camera, but I wanted to get it on that one tile that I slid that other on. I want to keep that pink. Let's see here. I'm not super thrilled. It's got some gush on it. I don't know about that one. We're going to set it off to the side. Let's bring this guy over here. Oh, wow, how cool. I love this one. All right, let's watch that kind of, see if I can zoom in on that. Pretty cool. All right, I'm going to let these drip for a second, move them to the rack, and do some more.